At 1Q, we transform healthcare as an agile CDMO. We connect modern production with customers, suppliers, and create a seamless ecosystem. This reduces complexity to bring products and preventative products at the right time to the market.
The reality for supplement development has changed. For years, many brands looked at contract manufacturers mainly as production partners. That is no longer enough. Today, brands are looking for partners who understand market trends and who can develop, test, produce, package, and support a product beyond the factory floor. This pressure in the market starts with consumers. The demand for food supplements is at an all-time high, but consumers are more demanding than ever. For supplement brands, this creates a major challenge. They must understand and act fast on trends while staying compliant and managing costs, supply chains, and market launch. This is why the role of a CDMO is changing. Successful contract manufacturers are those who can combine manufacturing, science, data, and commercialization into one integrated model. 1Q Health is one of them. 1Q Health is a group of specialized companies built for this new market reality. We are a full-service CDMO partner for food supplements and pharmaceutical products, supporting customers across the full product journey from the idea, regulatory support, and scientific validation, to production, packaging, logistics, and digital marketing support. Our group brings together specialized production capabilities across multiple locations in Europe. ABJ Alive contributes with deep expertise in capsules, probiotics, and plant extracts. Beauty production expands our capabilities in liquid food supplements and cosmetics. Jernania brings decades of pharmaceutical and phytopharmaceutical know-how, laboratory services, and analytical expertise. EHF production from the Netherlands adds further tablet and capsule production capacity and online product configuration tools. HKS Health Solutions offers a strong white label portfolio, formulation experience, and flexible supplement production in Austria. VivaCell Biotechnology brings something unusual in the CDMO space: scientific research and cell studies that help customers prove product benefits and differentiate from untested competitors. By working with us, a customer does not have to coordinate between separate suppliers, but can work with one partner on an integrated route from idea to market. Other important strengths of our group that supplement and pharmaceutical companies demand are flexibility and security. Our group can supply different batch sizes from hundreds to hundreds of thousands and a multitude of different dosage forms and packaging options. We are also not dependent on a single location or one narrow production setup. Through our 5 production facilities in 3 countries, we can offer our customers agility and security through various backup options. This is especially important in a market where stockouts, delays, or quality issues can damage a brand very quickly. However, with us, quality issues will not be an issue. Our slogan, "Fast Track to Quality," reflects our commitment to the highest possible quality. All our production sites work with high standards, and depending on the company and product area, are GMP, IFS, FSSC, HACCP, organic, and ISO certified. The fast part of our slogan is enabled by state-of-the-art technologies, streamlined processes, and knowing which product route, speed, or differentiation makes the most sense. Our customers can choose a white label product from our vast catalog and launch a new product or a whole brand in weeks with a lower risk. Or if brands need a more individual approach, our development teams help them create a unique product. We're not just producing what comes off the conveyor belt, but helping customers choose the right path before production begins, and always with impeccable quality. That is the real value of a strategic CDMO partner that makes us an attractive option among competitors. This need for speed is also why we are investing in digital tools. With our 1Q shop, we created a supplement ordering platform for small and big professional customers to make ordering high-quality white label supplements easier, faster, and more transparent. Customers can browse scientifically founded formulations, access product information, adapt the products with their own branding, order and reorder products with a few clicks.
Healthcare faces enormous pressure to scale up production, and this with the right quality. At 1Q, we use digitalization and AI-driven processes to support the organizations in the market.
But what products should a brand order in the first place? That is where our Trend Radar comes in. We are building a tool that helps supplement companies identify relevant ingredients, indications, product categories, and market developments early. Its goal is to help entrepreneurs, marketers, and product developers to make better and faster, data-driven decisions about which products to launch. But we won't just help brands develop products fast, we also help them generate competitive advantage through scientific credibility. With VivaCell Biotechnology, our group can support customers with in vitro and ex vivo studies for ingredients and formulations. This helps brands build a stronger scientific foundation for their products and generate trust among consumers. This is a clear differentiator. Many CDMOs can develop and manufacture products, but fewer can help customers connect product development with scientific validation. 1Q Health is still a young group, but it is built on companies with deep experience. Many of our member companies have decades of experience in developing and producing supplements and pharmaceuticals. Now combined under one group, they form a platform with strong growth potential. Our strategic direction is clear: to position 1Q Health as one of Europe's leading digitally driven CDMO group. The next generation of supplement brands will not be built by manufacturing alone. They will be built through speed, science, data, quality, and strong execution. That is the space 1Q Health operates in. We help customers turn market insight into confident launches. For supplement companies, we are a partner from idea to market. For investors, we are a growing European platform in consumer health.
The future of healthcare will be digital, connected, and especially personalized. At 1Q, we're very proud to shape that fantastic future together with our customers, suppliers, and as a team, bring healthy products to millions of customers.
1Q Health, fast track to quality, built for growth.